welcome to Kings. Today we're doing the different martini variations. You can make it with vodka or gin, and you can make it with martini or nolly prat. Our preferred one is normally nolly prat, as we seem to think that's nicer. You have your frozen glass in the base there, like so, and to your glass, your shaker glass, we're going to add our gin. So a double shot of gin and a half shot of nolly prat. This is a very strong drink. Then put that on ice, shake it up. Can you offer the customer shaken or stirred, is that right?
That is very true. It's personal preference, really.
Personal preference whether you want it shaken or stirred. And then so you've shaken that on ice, poured it in the frozen, beautifully presented martini glass. If you want to make it dirty, you add the brine for a dirty martini from the olives, or you can just add olives, or you can add lemon. To this today we're doing a dirty martini, so we're adding our olives, like so, and that's how you make your dirty martini. If it was a regular one, you wouldn't put any brine in it.
No.
And you could add your slice of lemon in it.
Of course.